Hello my dear students. In previous videos, chapter 1 was explained and notebook exercises were completed. Now you be ready with your English book, new buzzword textbook and English literature notebook to do the question answers. Here I want to tell you one thing, that whenever you do work in English notebook, you should keep your English book open with you to find the answers. चिल्ड्रन, जब भी आप इंग्लिश नोटबुक में काम करो तब इंग्लिश की बुक भी अपने सामने खोलकर रखो. हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर चैप्टर रीड करके ढूंढने की कोशिश करें, which will improve your reading and understanding skills. So be ready. Let's start with chapter 1, Don Quixote and the Windmills. Its question answers are: number 1 is, why did Sancho Panza not want to go with Don Quixote at first? Yes children, in this question you are asked, when Quixote asked Sancho Panza to go with him for the adventure, but Sancho did not want to go. Why? Means Sancho Panza ने Don Quixote के साथ पहले जाने के लिए मना क्यों कर दिया? Yes students, as I asked you that you try to find the answers in the book, you try to find. Here is the answer. But sir, I am only a poor laborer, and how can I leave my family behind? आपको मिला इसमें इसका आंसर कि सैंचो पैंजा ने बोला कि सर मैं एक पुअर लेबरर हूँ और मैं अपनी फैमिली को छोड़कर नहीं जा सकता. सो द आंसर इज सैंचो पैंजा डिड नॉट वांट टू गो विद Don Quixote at first because he was a poor laborer and he could not leave his family behind. Now start with the question number 2. What did Don Quixote say when Sancho refused to go with him? जब सैंचो ने उसके साथ जाने के लिए मना कर दिया तो डॉन किहोटे ने उसको क्या बोला? Yes, again you try to find the answer on this page. Yes, the answer is over here. I will make you the governor of an island. Just think of how grand that would be. So children, आपको इससे ये समझ आया होगा कि डॉन किहोटे ने उसको ये प्रॉमिस किया कि जब तुम मेरे साथ अगर एडवेंचर पे जाओगे, हम दूसरी कंट्रीज को हराकर जीत लेंगे, उन कंट्रीज पे अपना कंट्रोल कर लेंगे और मैं तुम्हें किसी एक आइलैंड का गवर्नर बना दूंगा. सो द आंसर इज, when Sancho Panza refused to go with him, then Don Quixote said that he would make him the governor of an island. So the question number 3 is, what did Sancho Panza do when he did not have a horse to ride? Yes children, you have seen in the story that Sancho Panza was not having his horse to ride. Then what did he do? You can see over here that he used his donkey because he was not having a horse. So the answer is Sancho Panza rode the donkey when he did not have a horse to ride. क्योंकि सैंचो पैंजा के पास हॉर्स नहीं था तो वो अपने डोंकी की सवारी करके ही किहोटे के साथ चल दिया. Now the question number 4 is, what was Don Quixote's plan to get a horse for Sancho Panza. As you know that Sancho Panza was not having a horse to ride, then what was the plan of Don Quixote? What did he think that how did they get a horse for Sancho Panza? Yes, the answer is Don Quixote's plan was to defeat a knight and take his horse for Sancho Panza. So children, you must have known that डॉन ने ये प्लान बनाया था कि हम रास्ते में किसी नाइट को हराकर उसका हॉर्स सेंचो पैंजा के लिए ले लेंगे. Well, dear students, write these question answers in your English literature notebook. In the next video, we will complete the book exercise of chapter 1 of new buzzword textbook. Till then, you complete your assignment 1.4. Goodbye. Have a nice time ahead.